Hey fellow woodworkers! Did you know that mastering your craft can actually put more money in your pocket? Stick around because today, we're diving into the world of woodworking and revealing the 19 most important tips to superb craftsmanship, so you turn out professional results customers love, every single time. In this video, we're going to help you transform your woodworking game. Whether you're just starting out or looking to up your game, these tips will make your woodworking journey smoother, safer, and more lucrative. 1. First and foremost, let's talk safety. Remember, a safe workshop is a productive one. Ensure you're wearing your safety gear, including those all-important safety glasses. 2. Invest in high-quality tools. Trust me, it's worth every penny. And speaking of tools, keep them sharp and well-maintained. A dull blade can lead to frustration and mistakes. 3. Keep your shop organized and clutter-free. A clean workspace is safer and more efficient. And don't forget about ventilation. Dust collection systems are a game-changer for air quality. 4. Deploy proper lighting. A well-lit workspace is crucial for precision. Good lighting in your shop helps you see your work clearly and prevent mistakes. 5. Continue to increase your knowledge and skill. Never stop learning and boosting your woodworking skills. Take classes, watch tutorials, and practice by building more pieces. 6. Plan ahead. Create detailed plans before starting any project. This reduces mistakes by making you think things through in advance. It also saves you time and building materials. 7. Select your woods with care. Choose all your stock wisely. Understand the various wood species and their properties to ensure your project's success. 8. Remember the age-old saying, measure twice, cut once, because it's important to every woodworking business owner. Always double-check your measurements to avoid costly errors. 9. Use jigs and templates frequently. These handy tools ensure consistency and precision in your work. They can also save considerable time. 10. Don't neglect your hand tools. They offer finesse and control that power tools can't always replicate. Sometimes, a hand chisel or plane can make all the difference. 11. Joinery techniques are a huge factor in quality woodworking. Learn various methods like dovetails, mortise and tenon, finger joints and more. Used appropriately, these joinery methods can take your craftsmanship to the next level. 12. Pay close attention to the finishing process. It can make or break your project's final appearance. Professional construction won't override an amateur finish. Every detail is important. 13. Take your time when sanding. Start with coarser grits first, and then work your way up to finer grits, to produce a smooth finish. 14. Practice patience. Rushing any element of woodworking can lead to mistakes. You want to work efficiently, of course. But at the same time, you need to be patient when working on intricate details. 15. Lay out and design your projects in advance. Spend extra time on the design and layout to ensure proportions and aesthetics are pleasing. 16. Use test fittings on every joint first. Before applying glue, conduct dry fit tests to ensure everything connects nicely, as it should. It's a simple step that can save a lot of headaches. Precision is key, especially when it comes to establishing quality wood joinery. 17. Learn something from every project. How would you do it better the next time? Always keep learning, especially from your mistakes. Mistakes present opportunities for significant growth and improvement. 18. Think beyond your workshop. Join woodworking communities. Connect with others who share your passion. Get to know what your customers like and don't like. It's a great way to learn and grow your business. 19. Take pride in your work, no matter how small the project. Remember, a craftsperson who cares about their work always produces higher quality results. Give buyers your very best and they will reward you as a repeat customer, and by telling others about the quality woodworking you offer. There you have it, 19 essential tips to upgrade your woodworking craftsmanship and create products of excellent quality. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking business tips, tricks, and inspiration. And don't forget to click the first link in the description below to accelerate your success in this business. Thanks for joining us today, and happy woodworking!